Hey everybody, Tom here. This time on Let's Geek Out on Unica, we're talking offer strategy. That's coming up next.
Hi everyone, it's Matt, and this is our second video in our series on offer management. In the last one, Tom had talked about different types of offers that we're familiar with as consumers in our daily lives, and how different offers are defined. And in this section, we're going to be talking, or Tom's going to be talking more in depth about what are different types of offer strategies, from the very simple ones like the BOGO that we had talked about in the last one, to more complex ones. So with that, I'll hand it over to Tom.
So here's a good example of a very basic offer strategy from Sally Beauty. So Sally has BOGO offers, and they have savings offers in there. But the more important piece is if you look at the calls to action. So a bunch of them on the left say shop now, but look at the two on the right that say learn more. So their offer strategy is all around inspiring women around what they can do with their hair and hairstyles, and then moving them into a conversation around buying products that look like that inspiration. So simple two-stage offer strategy. This one I love. So Mercedes-Benz, you can really see what they're trying to do here. So their offer strategy is around different messages associated with different creatives. So you can see at the top they're running Find Yours with two different cars, and they're also running Learn More with those same two cars. Clearly, they're testing here for which message works best with each of those treatments. You can see they've expanded that into vans. So their Learn More offer is now extended into vans. And then on the right, they're testing buyer stage. So up at the top is for more of an early stage shopper, Find Yours. And again, they're testing the imagery used there. And then down below where it says See Offers, that's clearly attracting or trying to attract a later stage buyer who's closer to choosing a Mercedes. And you can see they're varying the imagery there. And then they also have an offer for service and for ship for free. So all of these would be staged in what we call an offer matrix for then testing to see which ones work best. This one is my favorite. So this is for Food Lion. And as you look at this on the surface, it just looks like a bunch of random ads that they're running. But when you compare it to a buyer journey cycle, you'll see there's a very, very concise strategy here. So if you start up cycle, the first message they're putting out is to get inspired and learn more. Then it's get deals to try to get you interested in shopping. And then obviously they get into shop now, view the weekly circular or view our assortment. That then leads to messaging around get coupons. That then leads to messaging about start ordering. So you're now really into the buying cycle. And of course, then they're inviting you to join their loyalty program, and really get more savings by being a loyalty member, all the way through to get details. So you can see their messaging strategy is very clear, and that's aligned to a very clear offer strategy. So what that looks like in an offer matrix is, again, you're delivering against different audiences. So in this example, we have pet owners versus horse owners versus farms versus gardeners. The treatment they use is a standard weekly. And in this case, it happens to be an email, not banners. But you could equally do this in your ad buying. You're going to vary the creative, like we saw with Mercedes. And in this case, it's different imagery around either animals or equipment. You're picking your offer, you're going to associate that with them. So for gardeners and pet owners, we're trying a twofer, whereas with horse owners and farmers, we're trying BOGOs. And then you can see the promotional message. So that 2 for 20, buy one, get one. And that's going to be delivered through email. So we call this an offer matrix. And really what it's meant to do is structure your offer strategy in a way where you're able to track offers and keep track of each one of these different creative variations, so that you can figure out which combination works best with which audience in terms of conversion. So that's what we want to talk about today in terms of what is an offer strategy. And hopefully that gives you a better idea of what we mean. We're going to have a few other videos where we're going to get into the application and really talk about how Unica uniquely supports driving a very, very sophisticated offer matrix. That's coming up soon. Thanks.